Alright, this is going to be today's trade recap. This is August 7th, 2026. Let's get into it. Today was NFP, so that is super obvious draws. And these are the trades I took. Alright, boom. Banger, banger, banger day. Oh my goodness, today was so fire. So yeah, let's get into it. So coming in today, we had NFP here. We shot up. And typically with NFP, whenever we go one direction, we will flip and come down at market open to the other side. So that was kind of my whole plan here. So we come up, we take out the NFP high, which is here. Perfect. Coming into pre-market, I don't want to see price go anywhere past here before I get an entry, because this is my main target on the day, is right here. This is NFP open. This is where NFP started and where we opened up at. And as you can see, we are perfectly aligned with the New York high yesterday. So come up, and I think we actually tap into pretty sure we had some sort of structure, or at least we did have some sort of structure up here that we tapped into. It might have been a 4 hour, I don't know, what was it? There was something up here. Oh, this 4 hour order block here. We tap into. Perfect. That is at NFP. Then we brain farting like crazy right now. Okay. Anyways, here we are. Trying to get this pushed down. Let me delete everything. There we go. All right. So right here, we get this here. Come down. And obviously, like I said, I wanted shorts. I want to go take out that other high. So this is what I noticed. It's marking out this. But even better than that, there's this 15-minute up here, this 15-minute order block that we tap into. Perfect. So I really, really like shorts at this level. Now, could you have just set a limit here? Absolutely, you could have. Would have been about, 13-point stop. You target, this is first take profit, and then final take profit here. Would have been an 11R. And that's absolutely a perfect, that's a beautiful trade. I'm pretty sure Fib even lines up with it. Let's do 3 minute. I believe Fib even lines up at the 0.79. Yeah. So you could have took your entry straight up just here and rode it the whole way down. This was my entry here. We formed this 3-minute RB. Well, first, actually, my first entry was this. I'm not going to sit here and hold y'all. It was this rejection block here that we made. And I got swept. Your boy got used as liquidity. So, but I like this more because we tapped in the CE of the range and we rejected very hard out, forming an even better looking rejection block. So that's where I took my entry. So if you notice from here down to below, 0.79 lines up pretty well. I like that a lot. Let's enter there. Stopped at the high. It is about like a 24-point stop, which isn't the greatest, but still makes for very, very solid risk reward, about 5.3. So, but I think I actually lagged a little bit, so I got in where we get in that 27, 8, 8, 8. So we really got in about there, which is it's all right. Pretty much at the beginning of it, which it is what it is. Not really gonna complain about it. Still solid risk to reward, above a 3. Nothing below a 3 we take. So after the first loss, we were down about 200 bucks across the account, and then risk another 200 off of this, and it delivered absolutely beautifully. So just got to be more patient. That's all. But very solid way to end the week, I will say. And then this was another trade that you could have taken. Was this here. This is a banger 10 a.m. open. So 10 a.m. manipulate up, down. You could have took this. Literally the tap on that. Just did a static, you know, 10, 15 point stop, 10-point stop, targeted. You could have targeted these internal lows here. You could have targeted all the way over here. But even better than that was we come up, tap 10 a.m. and we form this rejection block here. Boom. 12R. Could have took it just to that internal low. And that would have been a 10.4R. So I didn't take because I already took this trade today. But still, very, very solid trades nonetheless. I did lose about $70 because I took partials here and then my final exit was here, and then it entered me into a trade because I took partials, so there was left over, yada yada yada. So, but that is going to do it for today. Beautiful day, beautiful price action. We have this 10 a.m. coming up, which could play out, honestly. I'm not sure like what the OTE looks like or anything like that, but personally, I wouldn't be taking anything but shorts today just because typically whenever we make that move on NFP, we kind of manipulate down in the other direction. And we got these like relative equal lows down here. You got Asia lows down here, London lows. So I'd like to believe we're gonna come down and get those, but it is just a waiting game at the moment. So, but that is gonna do it for the trade today. Trades, I guess. But yeah, hope everyone has a great weekend. Go enjoy it. Stay off the charts. And that is going to be it for me.